Welcome back, signers. I'm Regina, and today we are going to start preparing for our Easter services. And our first song will be Son of Suffering by Matt Redman. Ooh, it's an emotional song. And boy, putting words or putting signs with the words, it really is going to give a visual and a focus on the real meaning of why we celebrate Easter. It's powerful. So I'm so excited and grateful that we get to be a part of the Easter services. So let's get started. This is tutorial number 1 for the Son of Suffering. Here we go. First line. Oh, the perfect Son of God. For O, literally with your right dominant hand, make an O and go over towards your left shoulder. It's like grabbing air. Make that O and pull. O, the perfect. For perfect, make F signs. Your index finger is on your thumb. And with your right dominant hand, come down and perfectly connect them together. Perfect. The modern uh, version of perfect is perfect, but we're going to old school it and go perfect. Okay? Perfect. So, oh, the perfect Son of God. For Son, we have our right dominant hand, and it's like putting it on the bill of a cap. This means man. So man, baby, man, child is son. Okay, let's do that line together. Oh, the perfect Son of God. Now, here's a tip, because when it says Son of God, it's really fast, and we'd be going Son of God. Okay, so we're going to go tip your hat, Son, and we are going to keep moving and go up to God instead of going Son and stopping and then coming up and going God, which is you take your B hand from the forehead down the middle of your face, God. We're going to keep moving. We're going to go Son of God. That's more fluid, okay? Son of God. It will help us keep up with the song. Next line, in all his innocence. So in with your left non-dominant, you make a cup, and with your right dominant hand, you go inside. In all, your right hand is on top, your palm is out on your right hand. So scoop and go behind. All, in all, his, my right dominant hand, it's going up toward heaven. We're talking about Jesus, the Lord. His, and it's possessive. So instead of going he, we have the flat hand, his. His innocence. For innocence, make U, this is our U sign, and put it on both sides of your chin and go out like innocent. I'm innocent. Innocence. So let's do that line again. In all his innocence. Next line. Here, walking in the dirt with you and me. We're going to go straight to walking. So your knuckles are up, and my hands, I kind of scoop them up like this instead of totally flat. Scoop them up so you're like sliding, shuffling, walking. So we're going to go walking, walking, in And then we'll go to dirt. For dirt, it's like you're feeling of the dirt on your fingers, like they're gritty or something. Dirt. With, put your fists together, your thumbs are on top. With you and me. Let's do that line again. Walking in the dirt. It kind of looks like money, money, money too. Okay, but it's dirt. Dirt with you and me. Next line. He knows what living is. He, this is my right dominant hand pointing up to heaven. He knows. We're not going to secure it this time. We're going to go, he knows what? And then living, and with the what, it's side to side. It's not out like this, like you want something. It's side to side. So what, and on living, this is old school. Make your L's and go up. Modern is like this, but we're going to stick to old school and have our L's go up. Living, and it'll just go living is. And I believe we only have time to do it once. Living is. Let's do that again. I'm sorry. He knows what living is. He's acquainted with our grief. He, on acquainted, this is my right dominant hand. You're going to kind of tap your head and wiggle your hand like so. But it means familiar. Acquainted means he's familiar, he's acquainted with our grief. And this is fast. We're going to go with, and then take the you. This is my right dominant shoulder, and go out to the left. But in the song, we're going to have to be fast. With our, and then on grief, I'm going to use a prop here, a tool, piece of tissue. I'm going to put it in my left non-dominant hand. And with my right hand, I'm going to take it and twist and pull. Now my right dominant hand is on the bottom, okay? So let's do that again. And you may want to get some tissue at home to practice, okay? Put it in your left. Tissue is in my left fist here. And with my right dominant hand, I take it, I twist, and I break it off. And this is grief. And let me show you without the tissue. Twist and break it off. Grief. Okay? He's acquainted with our grief. Next line, man of sorrows, son of suffering. We're going to change this a little bit because it's quick, and we're going to go man of sorrow, and then we're going to make the baby sign for son and go straight to suffering, because we really don't have time to go man of sorrow and then son. If we do son like the man baby, it's already at suffering. So we're going to we've already said he's a man, so we're going to go man of sorrow, son of suffering. Okay, and suffering, it's like an A. I have my thumb on my chin, and your eyebrows are down, and you wiggle it back and forth. Suffering. Some people kind of start higher and go down, but it's okay to go suffering, okay? Eyebrows down, suffering, and kind of lean forward, suffering, okay? So, man of sorrow, son of suffering, okay? Next line, blood and tears. Take your left non-dominant or your non-dominant hand and put the knuckles out front. And with my dominant hand, which is my action hand, okay, I'm going to start at my fingertips and wiggle like something is dripping down your hand, okay? It signifies blood. So blood and tears. We're just going to go tears. Okay, got another sad face. We can't be smiling on the tear part, okay? We can't be going like this, okay? So solemn face, tears. Blood and tears. How can it be? So how, here's our thumbs. We're going to put them toward our body and then out. How? How can, let me do that from the side. How? How? Okay. How, and then can, our fists are up here and we just go out. Can. This means able, can. So how can it be? And this is just the B hand, B, out forward, B. So how can it be? Next line, there's a God who weeps. There's a God who. Who? It's kind of like the X sign. Put it right there in front of your chin. Who? Okay? Who? And on weeps, use both fingers and go down. Weeps. Okay? Let's do that again. There's a God who weeps. Next line, there's a God who bleeds. There's a God who bleeds. Oh, praise the one is the next line. So, oh, this is my right dominant hand going to the left, making an O and pulling. Oh, praise, we'll probably clap twice. Praise the one. And on the one, I kind of make a little circle and establish one. He is the only one. He's not like number one, like one of those. He is the only one. My knuckles are out and I plant my one. He's the only one. Okay, so, oh, praise the one who would reach for me. We have our who sign again. Who would reach. Just reach out in front of you. Reach and then bring it in for me. And then it says hallelujah, hallelujah to the Son of Suffering. So make your X signs. Looks like little hooks. 1, 2, 3. Hallelujah to the Son of Suffering. And that's it for tutorial number 1. Let's do it one more time from the top to the bottom. I'll speed up just a little bit, but if you need to go slow, practice this at least 3 times a week. More if you can, but please practice. Here we go. Oh, the perfect Son of God. Did you see how I did not stop? Okay. Oh, the perfect Son, keep going, of God, in all his innocence. Innocence. Here, walking in the dirt with you and me. He knows what living is. He's acquainted with our grief. Man of sorrow, son of suffering. Blood and tears. Blood and tears. How can it be? There's a God who weeps. There's a God who bleeds. Oh, praise the one who would reach for me. Hallelujah to the Son of suffering. Woo! Practice, practice, practice. This is going to be a beautiful, dramatic, emotional song. And can't wait till we can put it all together. Practice, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.